falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today's video, I'm feeling a little experimental. I want to rock a bob. Okay, so I have one, but I want to make it shorter and like more blunt. So that's what we're gonna do today. This video is sponsored by Unice Amazon. It's their Yaki Straight Bob 12 inches. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before we get started. This is what the wig looks like still on the brown paper. As you can see, they did a gorgeous job on the pre-plucking. Everything on this lace has been done for us. So it's been pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-tinted, it's been pre-cut. Like I said earlier, this is the texture Yaki Straight. It feels very, very thick. This is the density of 150. However, it does feel a little bit thicker. I don't know if it's because it's a bob and it's kind of like a blunt cut. So maybe that's why, but yeah, very easy to run my fingers through it. There's not a foul scent. Let's see what the inside of the cap looks like. Here's a better look at that 7x5 lace. It also comes with an adjustable strap, and there's a wig comb at the very bottom of the wig, as well as there's straps here on the sides that you can attach here at the bottom. So tons of security, tons of space. The size of all of Unice's wigs is a standard 19 to 23 inches on their cap. So if your head is too small, please take advantage of this, which that is what I'm gonna be doing. So I like to tighten mine up and make it super, super tight so that way it can fit my head. Before I actually put the wig on, I do wanna go in and touch up the lace with my Ruby Kisses matte foundation in the color 13. And I'm gonna do this on the inside of the cap, and then once I put the wig on, I'll be doing the outside. But I've noticed you get better results when you touch up the inside of the cap. If you only do the top, it's kind of like it's missing something. So I like to touch up the inside.
Sounds right.
Once I get that nice and coated, let's just get a little bit more right in there. Once you get that the way you like it, you can go ahead and put it on. I'm wearing 2 wig caps to hold my fro down.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
And now that we have the wig cap on, let's go ahead and touch up the front.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
This hair is pretty boxy up top, so let's touch it up with the wax stick and hot comb and get it nice and flat. This side is good, but it looks like we may need to go in and kind of like get in there. So let's do that.
Sounds right. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Okay, so we got that done. Now it's time to get to the nitty gritty. I want it to be really blunt, and I'm wanting it to be around like, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. And we're gonna cut it. I always like to cut my bobs myself, so that's why I didn't get one that was already the length that I was wanting, because sometimes those are too short and you can't add hair to it. So I'm gonna cut around this much off, okay? Oof, it's still really long. So let's try it one more time, because I want mine short, y'all. I saw this girl, her bob was so cute. It was so cute. So like this much off. Here we go. I don't know why it's hard for me to cut this way, but when I have my hand the other way, it's really easy to cut. I don't know, it's weird. Okay guys, I cut way more off. Let's see what we got. Ooh, oh. Okay, this can work. Let's touch it up though. Let's touch it up. This is literally the length that I wanted, so I'm just gonna go in, and if you're a professional watching this, I don't know, close your eyes or exit out, because I know I'm not cutting it correctly.
Sound stripe.
I like where this is going, so I'm just gonna start flat ironing the hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show the final results. If it doesn't look, you know, like the best straight, then I'm probably gonna add some waves. But let's just straighten it out and see.
Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Okay, let's do this side. You guys, this is so cute. I was nervous was nervous, but this is actually turning out so cute. Okay.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. And I like it. It turned out so cute. This is what the back looks like. It could be maybe a little bit better. I'm not too sure, but I'm loving this bob. I love the length. I love that it's like out of the way and not so much in my face. So 10 out of 10 for me. I just want to thank Unice Amazon for sending this wig and giving me something to experiment with. You guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have everything about this wig linked in the description box, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.